In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip or invert a video using Capcut, a popular video editing tool. Whether you want to give your video a new perspective or simply correct its orientation, flipping your video can be a quick and simple solution. To get started, you'll first need to go to the Capcut website. Open your web browser and type in capcut.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option that says Create New. Clicking this will allow you to start a new project in Capcut's editing workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Now you'll see a variety of canvas options in front of you. Pick the one that suits your project best, because this will set the resolution and aspect ratio for your video edits. Next, it's time to upload the video you want to flip. Look for the upload button and give it a click. This opens up a new window with an option to upload files directly from your computer. Select this option and navigate through your computer's files to find the video you wish to edit. Once you have found the right file, simply upload it to Capcut. After your video has been successfully uploaded, it will appear in your media library. Now go ahead and click on the video to add it to your timeline. This action will allow you to work directly with the video for editing. You'll see your video displayed within the editing area, and from here you can start applying effects and changes. Hover over the video on your timeline with your mouse, and you should see a small More Options menu appear, typically represented by 3 dots. Click on this menu. Within these additional options, look for the flip feature. This is where you can choose to flip your video either horizontally or vertically depending on your needs. Hover over the flip option and select the direction you want.